So we are going to discuss about the anterior or the flexor compartment of the forearm. So before we start the forearm, we have something very interesting to see, that is the bicipital aponeurosis. So if you can see this thin glistening glossy structure reflecting over here, 1 second. So this band, what we can see is nothing but the bicipital aponeurosis. So biceps brachii, it inserts on the radial tuberosity, aisa niche. So this is the bicep belly and it gets inserted on the radial tuberosity, right, tip of the radial tuberosity, rough part, and this is the bicipital aponeurosis, glistening white patta. Okay, then we come to the flexor compartment. So we know how many superficial muscles? 5 superficial and 3 deep muscles. So let us see one by one. So this is the first is the flexor, this one. So this is the muscle of the extensor compartment, appears to be here because this shoulder is laterally rotated and there is pronation in the hand. So because of the lateral rotation and pronation, this position, it appears that this is on the flexor side, but this is actually brachioradialis. We can trace the origin, and that is in the extensor compartment. Anyways, coming to the flexor compartment. So flexor compartment, we can see this first muscle. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris. So this on the ulnar side. Okay, that is the radial side. Here you will have the radial artery, right, on the radial. So lateral side is the radial side. Often everyone gets confused. So on the radial side. So this is the flexor carpi radialis tendon. Then next you have the, what is this? This is a long tendon, also called as Fresher's nerve of the upper limb. So this is the palmaris longus tendon. Okay, then next we have so this is the flexor digitorum superficialis. Then we have the, what is this? Which is this? That was the deeper one. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris. Now these are the 4 muscles that we saw. Superficialis also we saw. One more muscle in the upper 1/3 is the pronator teres. So where is the belly of the pronator teres? Just separating. Yeah. So can you see this muscle? Is the pronator teres. Yes. This belly. नीचे ये ऊपर इधर ये जिधर आपका लेफ्ट साइड का प्रोंग है ना, वो दैट इज द प्रोनेटर टेरिस. ओके, सो कहाँ से कहाँ आता है? मीडियल टू लैटरल. सो व्हाट इज द मेन एक्शन? प्रोनेशन. So you can see simply medial to lateral, this is the course of the muscle. When it will contract, it will pull it will rotate the forearm in the medial as if it mimics medial rotation. But medial rotation will not happen. It will not happen because this is the hinge joint. So this movement is called as the pronation. So we can see is this somewhat pronated hand. Okay. So this is about the superficial muscle. Now talking about the deep muscles. So you see, we saw the flexor digitorum superficialis. Now below it you can see this is the tendon of the bulky tendon, flexor digitorum profundus. This is the flexor digitorum profundus. Other deep muscles, yes. So you can see this flat. Yes, exactly. Very beautiful flat. Please point it out. Flat muscle, that is the pronator quadratus. So this is a band like muscle like this. Okay, pronator quadratus. What about any other muscle? Yeah. So you will see the pollex muscle, flexor pollicis longus. So it will be coming this way. So it will be deeper to these muscles, right? It will be deeper to, can you see? So we were talking about one more deep muscle, that is the flexor pollicis longus. So when we go deeper, we can see this is the flexor pollicis longus. So amidst these deep muscles, we have one important nerve of the forearm, that is also called as the eye of the forearm, or also called as the laborer's nerve. So that is the median nerve. It is very bulky and that can be easily seen. Yes, can you see this? I think you take this this is the median now. So you can see the flexor retinaculum here above, below which this nerve is going. So this is the median now. Now let us see the radial artery as well. So just now we were tracing radial artery. So now we are talking about the radial artery. This is the radial artery on the lateral side, because radius is on the lateral side. So you can trace, this is coming here, and here is where you take the pulse, right? You take the pulse this way. So this is the radial artery. So it goes along the lower 1/3, above the bony lower 1/3 of the radius, where you can palpate against the bony prominence, and then it goes deeper to the anatomical snub box, right? And so this is about the lateral side. You saw which nerve? This is the radial artery. And which is this nerve? This nerve, can you see this nerve? Yes, this is the superficial branch of the radial nerve. Please hold it here. So this is the superficial branch of the radial nerve. On the medial side we can see the ulnar nerve and the ulnar artery. So yes, can you see deeper to the tendon of ulnaris? You have the ulnar nerve and the artery. So while holding, the person who is holding the forceps can feel that what he is holding right now is the artery. It is a little soft and it is on the lateral side to the nerve, and the structure below. Just hold the nerve only, this one, yeah. So this is the nerve, this is the ulnar nerve. So this is the medial most structure, okay, medial most structure, ulnar nerve, and this is the ulnar artery. So this goes and forms what? Which arch? Palmar arches, okay. So these are the nerves and vessels. So on the lateral side you have superficial branch of radial nerve and then radial artery. Then on the medial side you have ulnar artery and ulnar nerve, and in the middle you have median nerve. So you have 5 tendons upper, 3 muscles niche, and you have this beautiful what is called as the flexor retinaculum. This is to hold all these structures, these tendons properly in position. One more thing that you can see here in this specimen is the palmaris brevis muscle. Yes, just these fibers small, ekdam very thin, is actually a subcutaneous muscle. Luckily we did not remove the fat from this place, so we are able to see trace fibers of palmaris brevis muscle. So this is about the flexor compartment we were going to discuss.